I'm Matt Bouchard with NAREITWeek.com here in New York City for REITWeek 2016, NAREIT's Investor Forum. Joining me for this CEO Spotlight is Drew Sims, the Chairman and CEO of SoTHERLY Hotels. Drew, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Matt.
Now, 2015 was seen as a transition year for your company as you undertook a number of renovation projects and other activities that were really aimed at the future growth of the company. Can you start by talking a little bit about that decision, how that positioned the company, and now where you're headed now that we're about the midway of 2016?
You know, we started out 2015 and it was an overheated market. So there weren't a lot of opportunities for us to buy new assets. So we kind of looked inward to try to create value for our shareholders. And we did that first by buying out our partner in a Hollywood, Florida asset. We had a joint venture agreement with Carlyle Group, and we bought them out of that asset, which added about 250 net rooms to our portfolio. The next thing we did was we looked at our portfolio and we upbranded two of our existing hotels. We took flags off that were of lesser quality and put better quality flags on them. That was at our Jacksonville property and also our Laurel, Maryland property. And finally, we launched our proprietary collection of hotels in Atlanta and Houston.
And there's been some concerns starting to circulate about fundamentals in the hotel sector. How are you seeing things in your core markets?
It's been mixed. We've got some markets that have done very, very well. Markets like Tampa, Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, Wilmington, North Carolina, actually the DC suburbs have been very strong. And then we've had markets like Houston, Texas, because of the oil crisis, has suffered tremendously. And the Miami market has been a little soft. But overall, we've done very well. Our first quarter, we delivered RevPAR increases of in excess of 13%.
Now, are there any of your markets that you're looking at either getting out of altogether or scaling back?
We've recently announced the recycling of some capital that we have invested in the Norfolk market. And we have also announced that we are selling our hotel in Hampton, Virginia. So we're going to take those funds and try and find another use for them. You know, we continue our quest to try to have hotels in every major southern market, and we can, you know, march down that path every day.
Well, Drew, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Matt.
For more from REITWeek 2016, be sure to visit REIT.com.